हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल स्टडी टॉक्स। फ्रेंड्स, आज हम बात करेंगे कुछ इम्पॉर्टेंट इडियम एंड फ्रेजेस के बारे में जो कि प्रीवियस ईयर से लिए हुए हैं। तो आप इस वीडियो को पूरा देखिएगा और अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर फर्स्ट टाइम आए तो प्लीज़ पहले उसको सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, जिससे कि मेरे आने वाली हर वीडियो आपको टाइम टू टाइम मिलती रहे। तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट इज ज़ीरो टॉलरेंस, मीन्स नो एक्सेप्ट ऑफ एंटी सोशल बिहेवियर, टंग इन चेक in an insincere way, to drink like a fish, to drink excessive amount of alcohol. When it rains, it pours. When when something bad occurs, it usually occurs more than once. ठीक है ना? A slap on the wrist, a mild punishment, add fuel on the fire, cause the situations to become worse. Actions speak louder than words. What someone does means more than what they say they will do. ठीक है? A blessing in disguise, a misfortune that eventually has good results. Scapegoat, a person who blames for the mistakes to other person. Against the dog, do the work before the deadline. A drop in the bucket, a very small amount compound with what is needed. A dime a dozen, a very common, of no particular value. Practice make a man perfect. Regular activity is a way to become proficient in it. Pull the plug, prevent something from continuing. Next है a hot potato, a controversial situation which is we've card of deal with new kid on the block, new corner, water under the bridge. Post events are not longer important. Wag the dog, to divert attention from something of greater importance to something of lesser importance. The ball is in your court. It is up to you to make the next move. Tie the knot to get married. A piece of cake, something easily achieved. A picture paint 1,000 words. An image of a subject conveys its meaning or essence more effectively than a description does. Feeding frenzy, an episode of frantic competitions for something. Excuse my French, to apologize for swearing. Next है bed of roses, is situations or activity that comforts or easy. Back to the drawing board, an idea has been unsuccessful and that a new one must be devised. To make a long, strong story short, use the end and account of events quickly. To steal someone's thunder, to do a job before another person can do it and take away the credit. ठीक है? Rise and shine, an expression used when walking someone up. Raining cats and dogs. It is raining usually hard. Ran out of steam, to be imputes. Saved by the well, saved at the last moment. Turned a blind eye, pretended not to notice. Up a blind alley. Follow actions that come from undesirable outcomes. Next है Rome was built in a day. It takes to create great things. Rule of thumbs, a broadly acquired guide based on practice. Next है smell a rat, have a reason to suspect. Sixth sense, an intuitive power of perception. Thumbs, one knows to express groan. Through thick and thin, it was struck on the head by the cricket ball. Wild goose chase, a helpless search for something unattentive. unattainable. Don't pull all your eyes in one basket. Don't risk everything on the success of one venture. Familiarity breeds contempt. Close associates with someone leads to respect them. To short the bridge, to have a caused conversion, to put the cat among the pigeons, to do something that is likely to cause controversy. To the best of both worlds, enjoy at the same time. To take the cake, to be especially good outstandings, to sleep with the fishes, to be dead, shooting fish in a barrels, ridiculously easy. Next here, ignorance is bliss. Sometimes it is better for you if you do not know all the facts. Have a blast, to have a lot of fun. There is no such thing as a free lunch. इसका मीनिंग है it is not possible to get something for nothing. By the skin of one's teeth, a very narrow margin. Crocodile tears, expression of sorrow that are insincere. Chink in one's armor, an area of vulnerability. Beauty is in the eyes of beholder. That which one person find beautiful and admirable may not appeal to another. To have as belonging to one ounce, to possess. By the seat of one's pants, one's own experience. Discretion is the greater part of vulgar cause. Caution is preferable to rash bravery. Next है easy come easy go, something acquired without efforts. Too many cooks spoil the broth. If too many peoples are involved in a task or activity, to spill the beans, to reveal information from unintentionally, to spin one's wheels, to waste one's time. No horse in the race, to have no vested interest in the outcomes of a contest. To be punishing up daisies, to be dead and buried. To jump ship, to leave an organization, to kick the bucket, to die. A rich source of something and a load. A good things must come to an end. Even enjoyable experience cannot last for ever. To make from scratch, to do something from beginning. The elephant in the room, an obvious problem. And this is the last page. X marks the spot, the exact location. You can say that again to express agreement. Barking up the road, wrong tree. To be pursuing a misguideline of course of action. Back to the drawing board. An idea has been unsuccessful and that a new one must be devised. Blood is thicker than water. Family relationships and loyalties are the strongest and most important ones. Okay. Once in a blue moon, to happens very rarely. All bark Snow White, to be full of talk but no action. And this is the last. A fool and his money are easily parted. A foolish person spends money carelessly. सो फ्रेंड्स यही मेरी आज की वीडियो. अगर आपको पसंद आए प्लीज़ लाइक करें, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक यू सो मच.